welcome back to my channel. So a few days ago I had asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a particular makeup look. It was a simple, easy, kind of like on the go kind of a makeup look, and now that it's summertime here and it's really hot, I like to keep my makeup kind of simple, also something I can do really fast. So a lot of you guys actually voted to see it, so I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you guys today. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and do hit that subscribe button. And if you guys haven't watching my videos, you guys know the drill, hit that thumbs up button. Do not forget to please share, and do comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I love reading your guys' feedback. So without any further ado, let's get into this video.
So my eyebrows are done. I've primed my face and I'm not using any foundation for this look. So I'm taking the Modern Renaissance palette for my eyes. I'm going to link the shades down below to apply onto the upper crease of my eyelids. This just creates a really nice smoky tone. Also, it's a very pretty transition shade, so I just love this combination. If you see my palette, if you see the condition of my palette, burnt orange is barely even in the palette anymore because I use it so often. It's my favorite shade of like all time. And the brush I'm using is actually from the palette itself. I just feel like it's such a nice brush to work with, and it just makes blending really easy. Then I'm just picking up the two shades again and building up the color so I get the right amount of shade that I want for this look. Then taking Bijon Fresco and Warm Taupe, I'm going to go ahead and apply these two shades onto the lid of my eyes. And it's such a pretty warm tone. I love warm tones on myself personally. I feel like earthy tones like brown, orange, they look much better on me as opposed to pink and red. So I'm just taking the colors and I'm blending them upwards towards the crease of my eyes, just so all the colors can blend nice and easily. Then I'm taking the smaller end of the brush and I'm picking up burnt orange and applying this onto the crease. This is going to help me blend all the colors out nice and evenly, and also it'll make sure that I don't have any harsh lines and create like almost like a softer look. And I'll do the bottom lashes once I'm done with the rest of my face. So for my concealer, since I'm not applying any foundation for this look, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This has become my absolute favorite concealer, and I know so many people swear upon by this, and so do I. I don't think I can ever switch back to another concealer. So I'm just going to apply this on the usual areas, underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bone, and my chin area. So to blend it all out, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all the concealer. To set my face, I'm using the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm not going to leave it on my face for too long. I'm literally just applying it and then brushing it right off, and I'm just using my
small kabuki brush to apply the setting powder on all the areas where I have applied the concealer. Time Rose in such a gorgeous pink shade, and these blushes literally last forever. They have so much product in them, and I'm not going to contour my face just to keep it more simple. Highlight, I'm taking the good old Anastasia Glow Kit. As you guys can see, I've been using this palette for way too long, and I'm gonna take the shade Mimosa, which is the gold shade in it, and I'm gonna apply this on all the areas I want to highlight. I just love this color. I think it's such a pretty highlighter. It's not really like, it's not over the board, but it's not something too subtle either. And highlight, I just love highlighting my face. Even if I'm dressing, you know, casual, I'll still apply a tad bit of highlighter. I just feel like it just completes the look, and it just looks so beautiful. And I'm applying this by using my fingertips. I just feel like using my fingers, it just helps blend out the product a lot better than by using a brush. So for my lips, I'm gonna start off by outlining my lips by using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. And this is the crayon style, so it's really easy to apply. It applies super smooth, and this is in the shade London, and it's such a nice coffee color, and it's like a perfect nude shade as well. And you guys know I have a huge craze for nude lips. They're my all-time favorite color, and I don't think anything can go wrong with a nude lip color. I'm taking MAC Velvet Teddy, and I'm gonna apply this onto my lips. It's such a beautiful brown shade, and it goes perfect with this look. I actually bought this from Ulta in one of those little stands by the register, and I'm actually kind of mad that's so small because I use this quite often. To my lips, I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Wifey, and I'm gonna apply this onto the center of my lips, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Funny story, actually, my mom was recently visiting, and she had the same lip gloss, same shade, and before she left, she actually gave me her lip gloss, like brand new. So right now I have two Huda Beauty Wifey lip glosses. Then to just finish the entire look, I'm gonna apply the Badescu Rosewater. This, you guys, is my lifesaver, especially in this heat, because it keeps my skin fresh all day long. My hair a little bit, I actually straightened my hair, but then it rained and my hair got extremely frizzy, so I'm just gonna tie it all up and hope for the best. I hope you guys liked it. Do comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, keep smiling, and I love you guys. Bye.